it's not. If you snore, you should get checked. Because my wife was like, "Hey, you snoring?" Like, I snore. I'm not heavy. I'm not like. What do you mean? So it's just your airway. So my airway is narrow at the back, and so whether that's from teeth grinding and grinding down your teeth, or anatomically you just have a narrow airway and you need to wear a little mouth appliance. That's why those things move your lower jaw forward and open your airway. But if you get a sleep test and you have as many episodes of apnea as I was having, that's why people die in their sleep. And that's a leading cause of problems with brain health like Alzheimer's.
Yeah, it puts you at higher risk.